Are you ready to turn your home into an area for speed and new ideas? Find helpful gadgets that make daily tasks easier and improve your home life by saving your time and effort. Style and function come together in these gadgets. From kitchen helps that make cooking easier to cleaning items that make maintenance a breeze. In this video, we'll talk about some must-have home appliances that will make your life better. Number 10. Electric Pressure Cooker. The Small Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker operates as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer. This unique design and several smart programs make cooking fast, easy, and efficient, saving time and space in the kitchen. The Instant Pot Duo has configurable settings to cook tender meats in a fraction of the time, make one-pot meals, or make homemade yogurt. It improves meal preparation and provides peace of mind with its user-friendly interface and safety features. Any cook or eater should have an Instant Pot because it opens up new meals and cooking methods with thousands of recipes. Number 9. Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Dyson V11 Torque Drive is a strong cordless cleaner that is easy to clean. It changes how hard it is on rugs and hard floors, so that it cleans deeply everywhere. It always gives you the best clean because it has a different head for dirt and a screen that shows how much battery life is left. It has helpful features, can run for up to an hour, and is simple to empty without a mess. This vacuum makes it easy to keep your home clean, which makes it a great choice for families with kids. Number 8. Vitamix 5200 Blender. As an effective gadget, the Vitamix 5200 blender brings professional-level blending into your home kitchen. It makes it easy to make smoothies, soups, frozen desserts, and more. This blender's strong 2-horsepower motor and stainless steel blades can handle even the hardest ingredients, making sure that the results are always smooth and even. The speed can be changed so that you can get the exact thickness you want, whether you're making a chunky salsa or a smooth smoothie. The thermal protection system and cooling fan make sure it runs safely for years to come. The big container is great for making meals for the whole family or cooking a lot at once. With just a drop of dish soap and warm water, the Vitamix 5200 is easy to clean. Number 7. Breville Barista Machine. For coffee lovers, the Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine is an ideal made accurately. It combines the art and science of making cafe-quality espresso into a sleek machine. It has a built-in cylindrical burr grinder that turns beans into espresso in less than a minute. It was made for people who care about the little details of a perfect espresso shot. Its exact temperature control lets you get the best espresso, and the manual milk frother lets you make rich, creamy foam for lattes and cappuccinos. With adjustable settings, you can change the size of the coffee grounds and the amount of espresso shot to make your favorite coffee shop drinks at home. Not only does the Barista Express work well, but it also brings the cafe experience into your kitchen, which will help you try new things and get better at being a barista. Number 6. Ninja Foodi Pressure Cooker and Air Fryer. The Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 pressure cooker and air fryer is the most useful kitchen appliance because it can do so many things at once. It's meant to replace many other kitchen appliances and make cooking meals easier. This clever machine is small but has many useful features. It can be used as a pressure cooker, air fryer, slow cooker, steamer, and more. Ninja Food makes sure that tasty meals are always ready to go. The pressure cook setting can cook food up to 70% faster than traditional methods, and the air fryer setting can replace deep frying with up to 75% less fat, making it healthy. With its tender crisp technology, you can quickly pressure cook foods to seal in the juices and then air fry them until they are golden and crispy. The is a versatile and easy-to-use kitchen gadget that is great for making quick meals and tasty recipes in small kitchens. Number 5. Cuisinart 14-Cup Food Processor. The Cuisinart 14-Cup Food Processor is a kitchen gadget that chops vegetables, kneads dough, slices fruits, and shreds cheese quickly. Perfect for family cooking and entertaining, This gadget has a 14-cup work basin that can hold large batches of ingredients. Its sturdy stainless steel blades and powerful motor produce consistent results when processing hard nuts or delicate herbs. The simple control panel helps you precisely regulate ingredient texture with multiple speed settings. The broad feed tube fits whole fruits and vegetables, saving time and pre-cutting. The Cuisinart 14-cup food processor is the right combination of performance and convenience for home cooks. It's dishwasher safe, easy to clean, and built to last. Number 4. Google Nest Learning Thermostat. The clever, energy-saving Google Nest Learning Thermostat learns your heating and cooling preferences and adjusts to maximize comfort and lower your energy bill. This smart thermostat switches to eco mode to save energy while your home is empty and helps you adjust the temperature from your phone, tablet, or laptop. Its sleek design and high-resolution display give modern style to your house and display time, temperature, and weather. This Google Nest Learning Thermostat is a deal for houses with numerous heating and cooling zones. It tracks your energy use and gives you tips to cut back. Easy to install and compatible with most HVAC systems, the Google Nest Learning Thermostat adds convenience, control, and cost savings to any house in a beautiful design. Number 3. GE Profile Indoor Smoker. The elegant and simple GE Profile Opal Countertop Nugget Ice Maker makes chewable nugget ice without a water connection for any home, workplace, or entertainment space. This small, portable appliance can create 24 pounds of ice per day, and its first batch in 20 minutes, ensuring you always have fresh ice for drinks and chilling. Bluetooth connectivity helps you plan ice making with a smartphone app, making the Opal even easier to use. Stainless steel looks fantastic on any surface and matches modern kitchen appliances. A side tank enhances the ice maker's capacity and production time, reducing refills. The GE Profile Opal turns water into soft, crunchy ice, making daily drinks, cocktails, and smoothies more refreshing. It's easy to set up and use. Number 2. Digital Bread Maker. The Hamilton Beach Digital Bread Maker makes creating fresh, handmade bread easy and fun without the laborious procedure. This bread maker can produce whole grain, French, gluten-free, fast, dough, jam, and cake. Its computerized control panel makes choosing the cycle, crust color, light, medium, or dark, and loaf size, 1.5 or 2 entire B. Easy for bakers of all levels. The delay timer lets you add ingredients and set it to bake hours later, waking you up or coming home to the smell of fresh bread. Its non-stick pan makes bread removal and cleanup easy. The Hamilton Beach Digital Bread Maker makes it easy to experiment with homemade breads and doughs, giving warmth and tradition to every meal, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned baker. Number 1. Anova Sous Vide Machine. The Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker changes the kitchen, letting novices and experts cook restaurant-quality food with minimal effort. This revolutionary technology converts any pot into a professional sous vide machine that circulates heated water at a precise temperature to cook food to perfection. It's simple to use. Attach it to a pot, put your food in a C-label bag, and set the time and temperature manually or using the Anova app. The app offers remote control and thousands of recipes, making it easy to try new foods. Meats are soft, vegetables keep their nutrition, and desserts have the right consistency with the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Its tiny dimensions and solid design make it a great addition to any kitchen, delivering dependably superb meals. We've examined essential home appliances for cooking and cleaning. From a one-stop pressure cooker to an easy-to-clean vacuum, these gadgets improve your life. We showed you the finest ways to make your home stylish and comfortable. First up was the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker, a compact but powerful device that can replace 7 kitchen equipment. Quick and easy, cooking saves time and kitchen space. Blenders like the Vitamix 5V200 make smoothies, soups, and more. This strong tool ensures smooth, even mixes. Cuisinart 14 Cup food processors are essential for fast, consistent food prep. It saves time and effort with large volumes of ingredients. These devices improve household efficiency and comfort. Subscribe, like, and comment for more home improvement advice.